Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Foldable Motorcycle Gel Seat Cushion. Motorcycle seat cushion has a pedal-shaped design, which provides enough space for your buttocks to distribute your weight, avoiding the discomfort or soreness of the buttocks caused by long ride. Number 2. WDG Motorcycle Seat Cushion Pad 3D Honeycomb High. Motorcycle seat cushion adopts heat sink air circulation slot structure, which can reduce heat and moisture to sticky your butt. And the 3D honeycomb structure increases breathability and circulates a lot of air to help you cool down and dissipate heat to keep you dry throughout the ride, without staining your butt, for a better and more comfortable riding experience. Number 3. Motorcycle Gel Seat Cushion Front and Rear Combo Kit. This seat cushion motorcycle is made of TPE soft rubber material with good cushioning and impact resistance. Elastic and soft sitting feeling, release the pressure and wrap the buttocks. The open design of the three-dimensional hollowed-out grid promotes air circulation. When the ride is over, you won't be afraid of the numb feeling when you get off the bike. Number 4. Foldable Motorcycle Gel Seat Cushion. Motorcycle seat cushion has a pedal-shaped design, which provides enough space for your buttocks to distribute your weight, avoiding the discomfort or soreness of the buttocks caused by long ride. Number 5. JFT Motorcycle Air Cushion Seat Pad. The requirements for the motorcycle cushion pads are higher, especially for long-distance cycling and professional riders. Because the road conditions of cross-country vehicles are mostly rugged mountain roads, undulating roads.